just got a new computer. I've been doing this work for an Emmy Award winning video editor, and he decided I needed another computer. I already have the brand new MacBook Pro, but he thought it'd be useful if I have another computer. So he shipped me the new iMac. Here, let's see. Which I had wanted to buy anyways, so nicer to get it for free. So I've never done a video where I actually open the goods like it's Christmas Day. So I thought it would be cool. Sweetness. Sweet, sweet. Okay. Must be the keyboard. Also, then you guys get a chance to see how easy these are to set up. Now this is the entire computer. The whole computer is inside here. So there's no big tall box like in the old days. It's super efficient, super fast, and well, looks cool. So they already give batteries. It would suck if they didn't. So this is a new Magic Mouse. It's called. The whole thing is a button. You can swipe and do this just like the iPhone does. So hopefully they have batteries for the keyboard too. Now I can work even more like a mad scientist. I have two of those anyways, but the other one's the old version, and what I'm doing now, it just doesn't hold up power-wise. Just isn't fast enough. Alright, let's, so now we have thing is uber fast. So is that, but since it's a laptop, it's not quite as powerful as this. We have the built-in eyesight, just like the built-in eyesight here. Okay, let's plug it in. We have it all ready to go. transfer anything. I'll do that on my own. But we're ready to rock. And for those of you wondering if I'm just a Mac freak and don't like Windows or a Windows hater, no. I have Windows on, brand new Windows 7 on the laptop, and I will put it on here now as well. So I have the best of both worlds. Obviously I need Windows for a lot of things. Mac, I just love the sleek designs, and they're super fast and efficient. So that's good. That'll do. Time zone set automatically. Rock and roll. We're all set up. It's just the slickest machine though. I love it. It'll populate with the sites I normally go to. Let's go to investindinar.com. Rock and roll. I love it. What a slick new machine. Anyways, I'm going to start playing around. I have a lot of work to do to get to on this thing, so, but first it's always fun to just play around. So, and I have to transfer some files. But see you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing how simple the new computer is to set up. Later.